to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am going to be doing a pink look inspired by Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is the month of October. I am doing this look for family members who have battled with breast cancer, so I wanted to just pay a little homage to them and anybody out there who has battled with or has been affected by breast cancer. So this is my take on it, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. As you can see, I've already went in with my eyebrows, so I'm going in and just carving those bad boys out. And while I do that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when your girl's dropping a new video. Also follow me on all social media platforms. That will be gladly appreciated. But let's get back into this video. And for those of you who don't know, pink is the ribbon color for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I am doing a totally pink look. I'm going to be using all pink colors from 3 Morphe palettes, and I'll let you know as we go through them. So first I'm going in with the James Charles palette. I'm going in with the color Skip, and I am just packing that color right above my natural crease, right all the way across the eye. And I'm also just kind of rounding it out to the inner and outer eye. And I am just using a MAC blending brush to apply this eyeshadow. And I'll put all the brushes down in the description box below. And just pack that color in so that it can pop and so that we won't lose color when we start to blend. Next I'm going that same palette with the color Pinkity Drinkity. It is like a light baby pink color and it's so pretty, and I'm just using that color to blend out that first pink color. And first I just packed it on and then I started to blend it into the other color. You just want to continue to blend until you're happy with the outcome. Now I'm going in with the color Berry Good from the Such a Gem palette, Morphe palette, and I'm just using that color. It's a little darker than the Skip color, so I'm just using that color to kind of deepen that pink. And I'm just packing it in right in the crease. And now I'm going in with another MAC blending brush, and I dipped it into that Pinkity Drinkity color again and just kind of blended it out a little bit more. Alrighty, now it's time to cut the crease. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0. It is the whitest base or shade that they have. And I'm going right above my natural crease. And I am going to take it all the way over this time. doing that, I just want to give a quick shout out to my family members that have had and beat cancer. My grandmother, for once, but rest in peace to her. She is gone, but not from cancer. I have my Aunt Gretchen, who is a 2-time cancer survivor. My cousin Pam, who is also a cancer survivor, breast cancer survivor. So I do want to just give a nice little shout out to them. And if I'm missing anybody, I am sorry. It is an oversight, but I love you guys too. So I'm just trying to get that cut crease as perfect as I can. Then I just went in with a fluffy brush and just kind of blended that out so we can have a nice smooth base for application. Now I'm going in with that Such a Gem palette again with the color Oh Yes, honey. It's called Oh Yes. And I'm putting it right in the inner corner of my eyelid. And I'm just packing it in. Now you can't tell on the video because this color kind of matches the base a little bit, so you can't really see it, but once you see the pictures that I post, then you'll see it stand out a bit more. Now I'm going in with the color Three Little Words from the Stunning Vibes palette by Morphe. Actually, I had that backwards. It's actually Three Little Words was first by the Stunning Vibes palette, and then I went in with the Oh Yes right next to it. So that's the color that I am applying now, which is the Oh Yes. So Three Little Words and then Oh Yes. And now I'm going in with the Marvelous. It's called Marvelous from the the Such a Gem palette. It's a kind of a berry color. It's a shimmery color. Now these three colors I put on my lid are all shimmery colors. So I did wet the brush before I picked up the shadow because it makes it easier to apply it and makes it pop more. Now I'm just going in with a white liquid liner from NYX. And I'm using that for my wing. And we're just doing a nice cute wing, nothing too dramatic, but not subtle either. And now I'm going in and I am applying my NYX glitter base. It's like a glitter glue because I am going to be applying glitter right above that wing eyeliner. So I'm doing it in sections. So I'm applying my glitter base first to the outer portion of the wing. And using that same brush, I'm not going to add any more of the glitter base. I'm just going to dip it into my glitter. Now these glitters do not have names, but I will leave the link that I got them from Amazon. I'll leave the link below where I purchased it. And I'm just putting that glitter right on top of the base, right above the wing. And it's a fine pink glitter. And now I'm just going in and doing another section. And I'll just repeat that process until I get all the way to the inner eye. And then I just went back in with that liquid eyeliner and just cleaned up any place that may have gotten some glitter where it wasn't supposed to be. And now I'm just taking some micellar cleansing water and cleaning up any mistakes that I may have made and just giving it a sharper look. And I'm taking some mascara and just taking it on my eyelashes to clean off any of that liquid liner that got on. And ta-da! Both eyes are done. Look at that. That's magic, y'all. Look at that. And I went ahead and applied my foundation and concealer and contouring all off camera just for the sake of this video not being long. If you do want to see how I do my foundation, you can look at some of my previous videos where I did go into detail how I do my foundation. So now I'm just blending everything out. And as you can see, I went ahead and added some white eyeliner to my waterline, and I also added some of that skip color from the James Charles palette to my waterline as well. And we're just going ahead and setting our concealer. Alrighty, as you can see, I am done with the look here. I threw on some Sumptuous Beauty's lashes in the style Miami and also threw on some pink lipstick. If you're interested in the Sumptuous Beauty, I'll put everything down in the description box along with the promo code. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys.